Hey everyone, thank you for being here. Let me introduce you to Tech Library. It's your one-stop place to learn all about technology. Today we're diving into a common issue faced by iPhone users: how to clear restrictions passcode on an iPhone. If you happen to have forgotten it, or perhaps you have gotten another's phone with restriction enabled, then don't worry, because here in the next few points, we'll provide you with simple steps on how to do it. That way, you can get full control over your iPhone settings and do not let the Sanders president interfere with your iPhone settings. Let's get started. However, there are some limitations of using an iPhone that I need to know before proceeding. They enable you to set specific measures that limits what applications, options, and information can be run and viewed on a device. Well, if you have set the passcode and now you are unable to recall it, there is no need to be worried. We will guide you on how you can reset passcode for your iPad without losing data. The first technique of synchronizing an iPhone is through the use of iTunes. Here's what you need to do. Sync your iPhone with your Mac using iTunes installed in that Mac device. If you are asked to enter a passcode, use another device which is connected to this one and has the same data, or use the recovery mode. In iTunes, once connected, it's time to select your iPhone and go to its summary. For example, you go to the settings and click Restore iPhone and abide by the displayed steps as way to delete your device and passcode. This method shall help you to clear the passcode as well as any info on your iPhone, so remember to back up in case. Another way is the use of iCloud, as it will be explained below, heralds another way of hacking into iCloud. Here's how. Go to iCloud.com and then enter by typing your Apple ID and password. Here are the steps to follow. On a web browser, go to iCloud.com, hit Find iPhone at the top of the page and choose All Devices. Choose the iPhone you want to back up or transfer data from the list of your devices. Erasing your iPhone and its passcode. Click the Erase iPhone option to delete all the content from the device along with its passcode. This method also averts the data on your iPhone, and thus it is advisable to have a backup before using this method. Well, cup of tea there. 2 techniques, how to delete a restrictions passcode on your iPhone. In case of opting iTunes or iCloud, ensure you back up your data to avoid any data loss while the operation takes place. Please make sure that you found some value in this guide to maneuver through the complex world of online shopping. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to place a like on the video, leave a comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Library to receive more tech-related tricks and tips. Well, that's it for us this time, and we'll see you next time. Take care.